Hello my friends and welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I've got you like an important trick concerning the Google Maps. If you're using Google Maps and you're driving, you can turn on voice navigation, which is much better. Instead of holding your iPhone in your your mobile phone in your hands while driving. So the first thing, open the Google Maps and then tap here where is your account that you're using for the Google Maps. Tap on this icon and then tap on the settings. And here the first option we have navigation. Just tap on that one. And there are two settings from here that if you change, that's it. Now change the guidance audio from mute to unmute, and then the guidance volume to louder. And hopefully next time when you use Google Maps, the voice navigation will be turned on and it will be much safer for you to drive. Hope you liked it. Share with your friends. See you next time.